Polynucleotides, the new kids on the block. They're made up of different fragments of RNA and DNA, and they're there for tissue regeneration and tissue repair. And in terms of where we obtain them from, we can get them from salmon sperm, we can get them from lab-based technology, and we can also obtain them from other species. In terms of how they work, they upregulate fibroblasts, so they produce collagen, elastin, GAGs, hyaluronic acid. They also produce growth factors, and they also reduce cellular turnover. So, in effect, you're going to result in more hydration, you're going to result in increased elasticity, and you might see fine lines and wrinkles diminish temporarily. Because they cause cellular regeneration repair, currently they're licensed for skin and they're also licensed for hair. And the way we approach it, what we do is we numb you and then we decide which brand you want to use, and we cause loads of micro injections, little nodules that last 24 to 48 hours. And then you'll see over the next 20, or not even 24 hours, over the next 2 to 4 weeks, you'll see some kind of skin boosting or hydration element, and you'll need several sessions before you get the full result. And the same thing with your hair as well in terms of cellular regeneration. In terms of what you can combine them with, you can combine them with fillers, but they're not fillers. So if you want to maintain yourself and you want to remain in the virgin lane, a lot of people are comfortable with polynucleotides or skin boosters. And if you want to remain in the non-virgin lane, you can combine them with hyaluronic acid so the cellular regeneration continues. Personally, I'm not a fan of polynucleotides. I do have doctors that will do it for you over here. Fundamentally, in the industry, every 10 minutes something new comes out. And over here, we're very R&D driven. And what we want to see is the data and research behind it. So I only look at things that are histopathologically seen on a slide in terms of causing regeneration or cellular regeneration. I don't want to see a cartoon character telling me that it's going to regenerate. Also, you need to understand things come out so quickly in our industry that it's easy to get CE kite marking, whereas this takes a lot longer in the US to get FDA approved. So I'm still on the fence for this. And the other thing I don't understand is if you want to remain in the virgin lane, why are you open to having injection of foreign body, i.e. salmon sperm, into your face and skin and into your hair? Why don't you inject your own DNA instead? Because at least you're using human DNA. Or why don't you just inject hyaluronic acid, which is naturally found in every single cell, whereas salmon sperm isn't? Who wants to be a fish?